Burnt cheesecake is very popular in Singapore right now, and there are many cafes coming up with their own variations. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make my own take on burnt cheesecake. My recipe is a little bit different from other recipes. I added Parmesan cheese for that cheesy aroma to the cheesecake. I also love the addition of the yogurt as it elevates the flavour of the cream cheese. Anyway, to get things started, preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Beat softened cream cheese, caster sugar, and Parmesan cheese until combined. Stir in vanilla extract. Crack in an egg one at a time. Drizzle in yogurt and melted butter. Then, fold in plain flour. Transfer into a 6-inch removable round cake pan that has been greased and lined with parchment paper. Bake it in the oven for about an hour. Then, use the broiler and broil for a few minutes until the top part is evenly brown and charred. Let it cool until room temperature, then chill in the fridge overnight before unwrapping. So this is how you make my burnt cheesecake. Honestly, it's really not very hard, and if you are new to baking and want to make yourself a cheesecake, this recipe is for you. You really can't go wrong with this recipe, as the imperfection of this recipe is perfect. Anyway, be sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram at ZaTaYaYummy, and check out all my printable recipes at www.thezonghan.com. I see you guys soon. Bye bye!